Pagkatapos susunod, nilipatan niya po kay Angeles University Foundation ay naiyaking kurso Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in Multimedia. Meron na pong alumni at dating miyembro ni Angeles University Foundation Dance Troupe. 2010-2013 Dance Director na Ninayong Filipino Clark specializing rural and folkloric performances. Presidente, Head Coach of Chevalier School, Caballero Dance Crew. Official Creative Director ng DJMP Central Luzon Dance Crew. Nanibatan ng 2019 ang Gapok Inc. kasalukuyan. Full-time choreographer, director, event maker specializing pageants, weddings, debut and concerts, folk dance, hip-hop, ballet, jazz, operatic events artistic director, and event maker. Palakpakan tayo po, Mr. Iskat Escalera Saldi. Isa sa po